What's up, guys? Gonna be going into a box unveil. So we got John's bike over here. I believe it's 2001 Suzuki 125. But we've been having some troubles with his rims getting through. And I mean, they are old stock rims, so we're gonna go ahead and get them replaced. That way we can have our tires and everything trued out nice and clean. But I figured these are gonna be some sweet rims. Might as well do a unveiling on them. Super excited to see how these things look. It's gonna be sick. Looks like you got these from KKE Racing.com. See here. Those look sick. Got the gold hub, gold spoke nipples. It's gonna be the rear. Man, that thing looks clean. I'm super excited to get them tires on here now and see what she looks like. Show you what we got going on with the bike right now. So that's what they're gonna be going on. So he took his old rims, did a quick little job on them, just trying to make them look somewhat cleaner. Threw some black paint on it just for the time being. He knew he was going to be replacing them, but we ended up cleaning the hubs up as well. Had those vapor blasted. Then he's got these massive Hoosier tires on there. Scoop. This thing's ripped. Got a 110/90 by 19, which is definitely wider than the stock. Just wanted that extra grip. Yeah, these are some sick tires. Gonna be some sick rims. It's gonna look really nice on this bike. So stay tuned. We'll get those tires on the rim and go from there.